Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from the Bluetooth audio system or the Bluetooth Sync 3 system in this 2017 Ford Focus. Any screen there, you've got settings over there and phone there. It's a touch screen. If I click settings there, you see Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth. Bluetooth, add devices, view devices. We'll click on view devices and it shows you my phone there. Just click on the outer edge there, the arrow takes you to another menu, connect phone and media, connect media, or delete. Click delete. Delete Barry's iPhone 12 Pro, delete. That's it gone. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth Sync 3 audio system in this 2017 Ford Focus. The first thing we have to do is make sure that Bluetooth is on, like so. And then we're watching out at the bottom. Over we go to the actual audio unit. It's a touch screen, so you'll see there you've got phone and settings. You can do it one of two ways. You can either go into settings and then onto Bluetooth, add a Bluetooth device, or alternatively, just so it shows you both ways. If you go into phone and there's nothing connected, all you have to do then is click pair phone.
On your device and select it once it is found.
So we're watching out at the bottom here, Ford Focus. So click Ford Focus.
Confirm that the pin displayed on sync matches the pin displayed on your device.
So that's 925388. Yes, that's correct. Unlikely not to be, unless you're sat on a car park next to another phone. Allow contacts and favorite.
Please stay alert to changing road conditions and use Sync's voice-activated features while your vehicle is in motion.
So allow contacts and favorites to sync on your phone. Allow, and over here it's saying Barry's iPhone 12 connected successfully. Automatic contact download. Finish. So I'll click finish, and there you go. That's it done. Okay, I'll just show you how to stream audio or stream music through the Bluetooth Sync 3 system in this 2017 Ford Focus. It will, if it's set up right, it will stream audio off Spotify, off YouTube, off Amazon Music, and also iTunes. On this particular demonstration, I'll just show you iTunes. So if I go to my iTunes account now, if I go, well, it's called Music now, it used to be called iTunes. So it's turned down, but you see at the bottom there, Ford Focus. If I click on that, there's a tick next to Ford Focus. If for any reason it's not and it's next to iPhone, just press on Ford Focus and that's it. And then we'll go back to the song. We go over to the audio unit and you'll see there audio. If it's on anything else, we'll just, on navigation, we click onto audio. And you'll see there, that's the radio. So if I turn this up now, that's the radio playing. So we click sources. It's on FM, hence the radio playing. CD, DAB, AM, but we want Barry's iPhone here. So if I click on Barry's iPhone, it's now showing me the record that's playing on my phone, and if I turn this up, that's what will play on here. So if I turn this up, then turn this up. So that's it, that's how you play music. If for any reason you're not getting the correct volume or it won't turn up loud enough on this, just turn your phone up and then that also maximizes the volume on this system. That's how you do it. Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat nav on the Ford Sync 3 audio system in this 2017 Ford Focus. So, I mean, from any screen here, that you already see the sat nav there. But if we click on navigation, that puts it on the whole screen. Then you want destination, touch destination. You've got search address, town, points of information, previous destination, home, work, favorites. So we'll go for search. Enter an address. I'm going to put a postcode in. Our postcode is Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, High Walton, Preston, P R5. Now I'm going to put a space in it, space, and then 4EA. So that's it, it's recognised it there. We'll click search. Searching for PR5. Oh, actually, it's For some reason it's gone to 4EH there, but so anyway, it mustn't have 4EA in here. It's actually a car park, this, believe it or not. So that's it, and just click start.
In a quarter of a mile, turn left and then make a U-turn.
So that's how to set the sat-nav. This car is also fitted with Apple CarPlay, and to be fair, I think Apple CarPlay is better than the actual most Bluetooth systems. The only trouble is you have to plug it in. They do an adapter for to make your Apple CarPlay wireless. I think it's about £130, something like that, and it's available on Amazon. If I find a link, I'll cut it in, and I'll get one to test as well. But if you plug this in, where's my phone? Right, so there, that's it at the moment. If I plug the phone in, with a bit of luck, it will recognise it. There you go, and it's changed to Apple CarPlay, and it's playing the music off here already. Let me just pause that. Right, so we'll click it back. Right, now then, you don't have to pair it or anything, you just plug it in. That's the good thing. So from the phone, you can also use Siri, basically, which is great. So once you've got Apple CarPlay, you can basically use Siri. You don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel. You don't even have to say, or if I was to say, it would probably spark your iPhone up as well. So what I'm going to do is click this voice button. Navigate to Blackpool.
Getting directions to Blackpool.
Go. So that's it. Again, it mirrors your iPhone, or to a certain extent it mirrors it. You see there you've got Google Maps, you've got music, and you've got phone. If we click the 8 squares at the bottom, that shows you, again, now playing forward sync, audio books. If I want to play an audio book, there you go, that gives me all my audio books. If I go back, you've got maps, you've got messages. There we go. Zoom calls, WhatsApp. Right, so here we go. As I say, I'm using this voice button as opposed to saying, hey, so your phones don't go off. So we'll click the voice button. Send a text to Gordon.
What do you want to say?
When are you back off holiday?
Your message to Gordon says, when are you back off holiday? Ready to send it?
Yes.
Okay, it's sent.
That's it. So, as I say, all you have to do, you don't have to take your hands off the steering wheel, you just click like so. Go back, slide along to the music. There we go. We can read my texts.
He sent new messages. An image. And said pre-order iPhone 13 with 5G. Your new superpower. With the most advanced dual camera system ever on an iPhone. Lightning fast chip. A big leap in battery life and durable design. You're eligible for an upgrade, so pre-order yours today by calling 0800 956 6136 or book a call back link to Discovery, Eco UK, and with our new plans, you'll stay connected even if your data allowance runs out. Plus, you'll also get inclusive...
Fed up with that, and then anyway, I've already ordered one, so from Apple. So that's it. It'll read your text as well, so you can send text, you can reply to text. It's such a good system, and you can also set reminders. Set reminder to get bread.
There's one reminder about get bread. Get bread.
You can get the system to do whatever you want. It really is a good system, that forward sync system. If you want to make a phone call, call Barry.
Calling Barry, mobile.
The person you're calling isn't accepting messages right now. Why don't you text them or try calling again later? Thank you for calling voicemail. Goodbye.
There you go. So it's as easy as this. It's just the best system ever. So that's all you need to do. Loads of other things you can do with it. Loads of other ways you can integrate it into your daily life. As I say, your reminders in your calendars, to-do lists, you name it. You can do it all while you're driving and without taking your hands off the steering wheel. So it's a really good system. Thanks for watching.